Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as No I'm Not. I have done that intro for so long that I keep on wanting to say it, and it's now like I'm on autopilot right now because this is how I do my nail videos every week. And yeah, so excuse that little faux pas. We are here to do a new set of nails. I know I said I would not do nails on my hand again, but I had an idea for this. I got some new glitters in and I wanted to try them. So I got like 4 Kiara Sky glitters in. So I wanted to try 2. And then I wanted to try, I got these Surias. They're little flakes. They're for your eye. But I wanted to try them on my nails to see how it would look. And I used, for this one, I used the, for these, I used the not polish, hashtag not polish clear 01 and hashtag not polish C-309 royalty sky, and that is the chrome that I used in my video a couple of days before this one. So I'm just gonna speed through my prep, and good, because this is just what I normally do. But my nails are a little thin and I wanted to make sure that I prepped these really well, because these are going to be a little bit longer, and I wanted to make sure that they do not rip off like my other ones did. And I'm sure they probably could still if I bang them hard enough like I have been, because I'm really rough on my nails, like really rough. So if I bang them really hard or whatever, I'm sure, yeah, they may come apart. But right now, they seem to be holding really well. And this is what day? Sorry, I always do that. This is day. When I did it Friday. I ended up doing these Friday, so it's Tuesday now, so day 5. If you hear that noise, that is my son. That's my son and his friend playing in the background. They're playing with their Nerf gun, and well, you know. Anyway, so this is I'm just putting 2 coats of the Young Nails Protein Bond on, and just opening up all of the glitters and mylar and things that I wanted to use in the nail. I don't think I used all of them. I used most of them, but not all of them. And of course I am sculpting this nail. I haven't started school. I'm sure we are going to be doing tips. I am so scared because I like to sculpt. So we'll see. Anyway, so this is me putting the tip on, and there's going to be 3 different nails. So I'm going to show you the 3 nails and then leave the one hand and the other 2 nails off, because they're just going to be kind of the same aspect of what I'm doing. So I'm putting a clear base. Sorry, I am doing a clear base on the nail. I do that on all of my nails before I start any kind of glitter or anything else. Sorry, I'm adjusting the camera. And then I put the Royalty Sky. This is that chrome that I use. This is their chrome. It can be used as a chrome, it can be used as a dip, or it can be used as an acrylic. And this is what it looks like when you use it as an acrylic. It just looks like a glitter acrylic. So I'm putting that, I got the idea of this watching a Young Nails video, kind of. They were just showing you from, I don't know if it was from start to finish or whatever, but they were just showing you on, no, it was just the 2 nails, on how they did. It was like supposed to be a $150 set of nails. And I was like, she just kept piling the glitter on, and I was like, that is so busy. But after she got it done, it was gorgeous. So I decided to do my own little spin on it. I used, because she used all Young Nails stuff, of course, and she used, some like a black glitter, kind of really micro glitter acrylic, and this is what I had. I'm going to be getting more acrylics, but not right now. So I'm using with what I have. And so I'm just putting a thin layer of the clear acrylic, and then after that I'm doing this sped up 2 times. So after that I start piling on the glitter, and I mean piling on. And the glitter is, I believe it's Nebula from Kiara Sky, and I'm not quite sure what the other one was because I don't have it right next to me. Okay, so one is Nebula and the other one is Milky Way. So the darker one is Milky Way and the lighter one is Nebula. And then I'm just using some Mylar pieces I got from Amazon in a little kit. Since it had a lot of green and blue, I wanted to use that. And then I had bought some glitters off of AliExpress, and I wanted to see how these worked. And honestly, these are pretty good. They haven't bled. They haven't done anything. So that's a plus. And so I mixed them myself. I mixed like a green, a holographic, and a blue. And then I put those on, and then I capped it with clear. Okay, my clear capping is not great right now. It's not great. That's why I don't clear cap very much, but I need to practice. So please don't cringe as you're watching me work and doing the clear cap. But I can tell you the nails came out really, really cute. I absolutely loved them. So yeah, here I'm just putting the clear cap on. Oh my gosh, it's been a long weekend. I went to I went to a wedding, got severely drunk, and I'm still recovering. So it is Tuesday, and I am trying to recover. I already voted. Those of you that ask, I voted a couple weeks ago, early voting. So thank you. I'm trying to take some water as I'm going through this. Anyway, how was your guys' Halloween? Did y'all go out? Did y'all not? My sister had a Halloween party, so I had fun over there. It was just the family, and my kids did go trick-or-treating. Surprisingly, they got an insane amount of candy. Anyway, here in Texas, it's not as bad as some other parts of the country, but yeah. So they went out trick-or-treating. It was interesting because the amount of candy they got, they only went down one street, and we always go to my sister's house for trick-or-treating because nobody ever trick-or-treats over here because it's in the country, and the houses are so spread out that nobody ever comes over here. So we always just go to my sister's, and they always get quite a bit of candy, but they got a lot more than they normally do. Okay, so in this one, I'm just doing a clear acrylic nail, and the reasoning behind it is that's going to be my accent nail, and I end up doing a sugar nail, and I will show you how that comes out. It ended up coming out gorgeous. I'm honestly so proud of this set. I'm getting better. I'm learning, and it just shows that if you practice, you are gonna get better at doing this. So I mean, they're still not the most perfect set in the world, but they are beautiful. And when I was at my nephew's wedding, I got so many compliments and so many people asking me where I got my nails done. So yeah, I'm excited. So, but yeah, I'm just doing a clear nail on this, and then after this, I think I put it on 4x zoom again. That's when I start shaping and filing and buffing and all of that. So when we get to that, you can see how I do all that, but it's my normal stuff, normally what I do. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This isn't the clear nail. This is the second nail where I just tried to do like a little shape of glitter on the side of the nail, and I did really, really well until I put the clear cap on, and then it got everywhere. So still gotta work on that, but it's okay. It's okay. The things still came out really well, and we all make mistakes. or, you know, those of us that are learning. I will never pretend to be all-knowing, because I'm not. I'm always learning. There's always something for me to better myself out at. Even if I do like the most amazing nails and the most perfect shaping and all of that, there's still going to be something for me to learn, whether it be any kind of art or bettering my shaping or a new technique or a new medium that comes out later. You're always going to be learning. You're never going to know everything. So, and that's the way I kind of want you guys to think about yours too, because if you do that, you end up becoming complacent, and you end up doing like the same thing every time, and you don't want to do that. That's just not something that you want to get in the habit of doing, because then what happens when something new comes out and you don't want to learn it, and then people want it, and then, you know, you end up becoming oh yeah, I used to go to that person because, you know, they were great, but then they stopped, you know, they don't know how to do all the new trends and stuff. And so that's not what I want to do. I want to always learn, and I want to keep my eye on the trends and be sure that I am offering everything that I can for my clients. Yeah, so that's going to be the way that I run my business. I don't know any other way how to, because I love my clients, and I want to do an amazing job before I even open doors to my own little salon. So that is why I am insanely practicing right now, because I have 6 months to get it to look to where people will not hate my nails and be, oh, I never want to go back to her again. Okay? That's what I want, because I need clients. Anyway, this one is the clear nail. This one's the one that I'm going to be doing the sugaring on. Oh yeah, note to self, see the little flecks in my clear acrylic? That is glitter. Do not put your glitter right next to your clear acrylic or next to any acrylic, because then you get little pieces of glitter that fall in there. In this set, it wasn't too bad, because I can use those little flecks in my toppers, but yeah, my clear is not so clear anymore, so I'm gonna have to buy another clear. I think I want to get the big, huge 60-ounce clear or 32-ounce clear, or whatever, the big, gigantic $125 clear acrylic, because I have a feeling I'm gonna be using that a lot. But hey, the first time I didn't actually use black in my design. I'm sorry, but I love black acrylic. I love black nails. They just, I don't know why, they just look so elegant to me. So all right, now it's going a lot faster because I am doing the shaping and buffing and drilling and all of that. It gets kind of boring seeing that over and over again, but I do want to keep it in just so that you can see what I'm doing. And with the forms, you tend to get like little things that hang down if you don't get all of the acrylic up to where you want it. I'm not quite there yet, so I had a lot of, you know, pieces hanging down and stuff. So and then I'm just drilling, adjusting my camera again, and I'm just drilling and making sure that I get that shape the way that I want it. These actually didn't come out as thick as my other ones did, so I'm really, really proud of them. And they're on there pretty well, so yeah, I'm happy. I have ideas of other sets that I want to do. Oh, I've just got so many ideas, because I got a very huge glitter haul, which is coming up on Monday. And yeah, I've got got so many ideas. Anyway, if there's any kind of looks or nails or any type of nails or anything that you would like me to try and try to not fail at, then send them to me, suggest them to me. I'd be happy to at least try it. All right, here I am just putting on a top gloss. It's the Not Polish top gloss. And I'm getting better at painting my nails. I'm quite excited for that. I'm not as messy as I usually am. But I'm putting on a top gloss, and then I'm getting this NYX glitter. I don't remember which glitter it is. It is GLI11. It's one of the glitter brilliants, and it's GLI11 violet. So it's a violet glitter, and then I'm just sugaring that on. Oh yeah, I was trying to kind of just sprinkle it, and then of course, yeah, no. So I do that, and then I put it in the thing, in the lamp, and look how pretty it turned out. And then here I am just putting the top coat on, and I am going to cure it. And that is it. Wow, you know, these videos are a lot shorter than my makeup videos are. My makeup videos are like 30 to 40 minutes long, but this one isn't. It's like, they're usually 20 minutes, not any longer than that. But here I'm just showing you the top gloss, and then I'm going to cure it. Oh no, sorry. I put Protein Bond on top of the nail because that's what Young Nails suggested, and I think I told y'all about that. They wanted you to rough the nail, and then they said to fill in the crevices with the Protein Bond and then put the top gloss on top of the nail, and that's what I did here, and it seems to be working. I'm not getting any chipping or anything, because by now that top gloss would have chipped on my nails. I guarantee it, because they did on my last set. So good thing I'm learning. I'm actually learning. And then I cure that for 30 seconds. And then these are my final nails. I put cuticle oil on it. And that's it. I seriously love the way that these came out. I am so proud of these nails. Yeah, so if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the family and follow my nail journey along with me. I start school in a week, and I cannot wait. So yeah, I'll have a bunch of videos about that. I'll do some vlogs and just kind of updates in what school is like. So without further ado, this is it. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.